Our next concept is section formula. P is any point on the line passing through A and B. P divides AB in the ratio AP is to PB. If AP and PB are in the same direction, then the division is internal. Internal. That is, if A is here, B is here, P is here, AP it is like this, PB it is like this. So here P divides AB internally. Here P divides AB internally. AB internally. Otherwise the division is external. The division is external. That is, A is here, B is here, P is here. Here P divides AB externally, or like this. A is here, B is here, P is here. Here P divides AB externally. Next, the point P divides the line segment joining A x1 y1 B x2 y2 in the ratio m is to n. Internally, if it divides internally, then coordinates of P are mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. Coordinates of P are. If P divides externally then coordinates of P are mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Next concept is the midpoint of the line segment joining x1 y1 comma x2 comma y2 is midpoint is x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2 are the coordinates of the midpoint. Next point, if p x comma y is any point on the line passing through a x1 y1 b x2 y2, then the ratio in which p divides ab, that is ap is to pb, is equal to x1 minus x is to x minus x2, or y1 minus y is to y minus y2. Next point, the ratio in which the line segment joining x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2 is divided by x-axis. X-axis divides the line joining the given 2 points in the ratio minus y1 is to y2. Similarly, y-axis divides in the ratio minus x1 is to x2. Similarly, next point, if the ratio is positive, the division is internal. Otherwise it is external. Otherwise the division is external. So let us do an example. If the point x1 plus t into x2 minus x1, y1 plus t into y2 minus y1 divides the join of x1 comma y1 x2 comma y2 internally, then t belongs to. So let p is x1 plus t into x2 minus x1, y1 plus t into y2 minus y1, and a point is x1 comma y1, b is x2 comma y2, and given that p divides ab internally. That is given. Now p divides ab in the ratio So what is the formula? x1 minus x is to x minus x2, where x comma y are the coordinates of P. So that is x1 minus, in place of x substitute this minus x1 minus t into x2 minus x1 is to, here x minus x2 means x1 plus t into x2 minus x1 minus x2, that is the ratio. Here 1 x1 gets cancelled, that is t into minus t into x2 minus x1 is to, here x1 minus x2 plus t into x2 minus x1 minus t into x2 minus x1 is to, here take x2 minus x1 common, or x1 minus x2 common take here. So here it will be 1 minus t. So here x2 minus x1 is there, here x1 minus x2 is there, multiply by minus t into x1 minus x2 is to x1 minus x2 into 1 minus t. These two gets cancelled, that is t into t is to 1 minus t is the ratio, but the division is internal. The division is internal implies the ratio must be positive, that is t by 1 minus t greater than 0, implies division must be positive means their multiplication must be also positive. T into 1 minus t greater than 0 implies t into t minus 1 less than 0. Less than 0 means lies between the roots. Here roots are 0 comma 1, implies 0 lies between, t lies between 0 and 1, that is t belongs to 0 comma 1 is the interval. Next concept is points of trisection. The points which divides a line segment in the ratio 1:2 or 2:1 are called points of trisection. Next point, if p comma q are points of trisection of AB, then AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Second point, midpoint of AB is same as midpoint of PQ. third point, PQ length is equal to AB by 3. Let us do an example. If PQ are 2 points on the line joining A minus 2 comma 5, B 3 comma 1, B 3 comma 1, such that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB, then PQ length is equal to. So here given that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB implies PQ are points of trisection of line segment AB, and PQ is equal to AB by 3. So find AB distance. Now AB distance is equal to, that is 3 plus 2 whole square 1 minus 5 whole square, that is root of 5 square plus 4 square, that is 25 plus 16 is root 41, implies PQ is equal to AB by 3, that is root 41 by 3. Our next problem is, if the points are 22 comma 23 divides the join of P 7 comma 5 and Q x comma y externally in the ratio 3:5, then Q is, here R is given as 22 comma 23, P is given as 7 comma 5, Q is given as x comma y. R divides PQ in the ratio, divides PQ in 3:5 externally. So apply the external formula, that is 22 comma 23, R is equal to, so this is P, this is Q, this is R. Ratio is 3:5, implies 3 into x minus 7 into 5 by 3 minus 5. Apply the formula, mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, m by 2 minus m by 1 by m minus n. It is 22 comma 23 is equal to, this is 3x minus 35 by minus 2, 3 by minus 25 by minus 2. So compare, 3x minus 35 by minus 2 is equal to 22. implies 3x minus 35 is equal to minus 44. 3x is equal to minus 9, x is equal to minus 3. Compare y coordinate. 3y minus 25 is minus 2 is equal to 23. 3y minus 25 is equal to minus 46. 3y is equal to minus 21, implies y is equal to minus 7. Therefore coordinates of q are x comma y is equal to minus 3 comma minus 7. Next problem is, if the points a comma b, b minus a comma minus b, p a square comma ab are collinear, then the ratio in which p divides ab is, here given p is a square comma ab, a is a comma b, b is minus a comma minus b. So here p divides ab in the ratio, formula is x1 minus x is to x minus x2. So here this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and p is x comma y. Now substitute. X1 is a, x is a square, x is a square, x2 is minus a, minus of minus is plus a. Here take a common, 1 minus a, here take a common, a plus 1. That is equal to, here a gets cancelled, 1 minus a is to 1 plus a is the required ratio.